Can you solve this problem in less than 30 seconds? We know that x times x is 6 and x times y is 18. But what is y times y? Now, before we move on, I wanted to remind you guys of my online or in-person tutoring services. All of the information is in this graphic. If you need help, shoot me a message. Now, as soon as I saw this, the first thing I realized was that x must equal to root x. And that's because by definition, root 6 is a number that multiplies by itself to give us 6. And since we're multiplying root 6 with root 6, it must equal 6. And then when I saw that x times y is equal to 18, the first thing that came to mind was that 6 times 3 is equal to 18. But since I know that x is only contributing root 6, then y must equal to root 6 times 3. And that is because root 6 times root 6, again, should equal to 6, and 6 times 3 is 18. So now, when we're trying to figure out y times y, that is simply equal to root 6 times 3 times root 6 times 3. And then once you rearrange the root 6's and the 3's, it becomes a really easy calculation because root 6 times root 6 again is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 6 times 9 is 54. And so y times y is 54. Now, there are other ways of solving this, so you can let me know how you solved it. But I really like this question because it highlights the fact that the root of a number times itself is going to equal to that number. And that's a really useful fact. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and as always, follow for more math.